Everyone, we're here in Queensland.
So yesterday we decided to jump in the car and go for a drive to Queensland. So 12 hours later we arrived at Farmer Joe's, and now today we're just going to Noosa and the shops before we sort out our caravan tomorrow. You having fun, boys? You having fun, Zaylee boy? What about Daddy? Because he's still tired from the drive.
Very tired.
Queensland. Hey guys, so we found ourselves at the ginger factory today. I'm going to take the boys and our little ginger who's asleep.
Hopefully we don't get any more.
We're at the ginger factory. Zale, this is where you were made.
Watch the trains. Don't push Zaylee boy in front of a train.
We're going to go on a boat?
We're on a boat.
What are we going to do, Kyson?
I'm going on a boat.
Woohoo.
I wonder if that's probably not.
Where are we, Kyson?
On a boat?
On a boat?
This is so cool. Look up.
Look up. Oh. The little hula dancers. Have you seen the gingerbread man?
Have you seen the gingerbread man? I see someone's got a full napkin.
Look at the dancers, Zale.
There's Mount Gingermore.
There's a fire.
Yeah.
Volcano.
Hey, look at Zale as a gingerbread.
Woohoo!
This is pretty cool.
Hollywood, Gingerwood. Woohoo!
Oh, the snake.
Oh, is it going to get us? Woohoo! Is it going to get us? We're at Buckingham Palace. Oh, we're going to the Moulin Rouge.
Gingerbread's waving the guards.
Is he? Look at the gingerbread man. Hi, Mr. Gingerbread Man.
Hello.
Now we're in Paris. Woohoo! Ginger Rouge. Now we're in Egypt.
Walk like an Egyptian.
How does it go? Woohoo, Zale!
See?
How does it go? How does it go? Come on.
Listen to the Egyptian.
Next to you.
Oh my goodness, where is he?
Oh no, we're going to come.
Here he is.
Now no eating bats while we're in here, please.
Hi, Santa.
Next. Oh my.
We've been around the world. Choo-choo! See the trains, Ellie Bomb? Look!
We ask you to remain seated, keeping arms and legs inside the carriages at all times.
Hey, Kyson!
Is not permitted.
Why do you look so worried? Oh, the bird is chasing his
Is
ale.
the machinery shed, which is a very basic structure designed to keep farming equipment out of the weather. The farming equipment on display has been used in farming the diverse range of crops grown in this area.
We're on the ginger train.
Such as crystallized ginger, sauces, and
Hey Morgan, we've been on the ginger train for the last 18 months,
gingerbread men.
haven't we? Hey, Mr. Ginger? We've been on the ginger train.
Gingers should get in for free here. You did get in for free.
Free ginger for the ginger train. Got his little dance on.
Get him doing dance?
Here we go, we're winning.
To buy the world's
Wait,
finest ginger,
wait,
factory direct.
Hey, hi.
Ginger beer, ginger
Hi.
cookies, ginger chocolate, and of course, gingerbread men. In keeping with all things ginger, did you know that we churn our very own premium chocolate?
Show us where we're going.
Buffalo.
See what you can spot.
Woo! Woo! Woo!
Reality
Woo!
and what they think they look like.
There's no such thing as a gruffalo. You found snake. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
You been a snake?
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Dance.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Okay.
He's starting to move.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
Have a bounce.
Daddy's just making us do these.
He loves it.
Who?
He loves it. He's bopping.
Who is?
The snake.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Woohoo!
So now I bet yours, Daddy, put you on his shoulders. Yours be able to take one.
Yeah.
Not too much walking for you.
No, I'm fine.
That's our little train bits.
Choo choo! Is that what does a train do? Choo choo! Woohoo! Woohoo, Zayu!
What do we got, Buff?
Ice cream.
To finish our day where?
The ginger factory, the Zayu factory. Hooray, Zayu!